Anthropic Claude 4, the next generation AI assistant introduction. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at Anthropic Claude 4, one of the most advanced AI assistants available today. Developed by Anthropic, Claude 4 is designed to help users solve complex problems, write high-quality content, generate and debug code, analyze large documents, and automate everyday tasks. Built with a strong focus on intelligence, safety, and reliability, Claude 4 delivers thoughtful and accurate responses across a wide range of subjects. Whether you're a student, software developer, researcher, business professional, or content creator, Claude 4 can help you work faster and more efficiently. The Claude 4 family includes Claude Opus 4 and Claude Sonnet 4, offering significant improvements in reasoning, coding, long context understanding, and AI agent capabilities. These advancements make Claude 4 one of the leading AI models for both personal and professional use. Main features: 1. Advanced reasoning. Claude 4 excels at logical thinking and complex problem solving. It can analyze difficult questions, break them into manageable steps, and provide clear, well-structured solutions for technical, academic, and business tasks. 2. Powerful coding assistant. Claude 4 is one of the strongest AI models for software development. It can generate code, debug errors, explain programming concepts, refactor existing projects, and assist with multiple programming languages, making it an excellent companion for developers. 3. Long context. Understanding. Unlike many AI models, Claude 4 can process and understand extremely large documents and lengthy conversations while maintaining context. This makes it ideal for analyzing research papers, legal documents, technical manuals, and enterprise knowledge bases. 4. Extended thinking mode. For more challenging tasks, Claude 4 can spend additional time reasoning before responding. This enables it to produce more accurate answers for complex coding, mathematics, research, and analytical problems. 5. AI agent capabilities. Claude 4 supports intelligent AI agents that can perform multi-step tasks, automate workflows, assist with software development, and help manage long-running projects with greater efficiency. 6. Better instruction following. Claude 4 understands user requests more accurately than previous versions. It follows detailed instructions carefully, resulting in responses that are more relevant, precise, and consistent. 7. Improved memory and context. Claude 4 is designed to maintain context across long conversations and complex projects. This allows it to provide more personalized and coherent assistance throughout extended interactions. Upcoming updates. Anthropic continues to improve Claude with regular updates, focusing on making the AI smarter, faster, and more capable. Future versions are expected to introduce even more advanced features. 1. Smarter AI. Reasoning future releases are expected to provide deeper logical reasoning, improved analytical thinking, and better decision-making for solving highly complex real-world problems. 2. More autonomous AI agents. Claude is expected to become even more capable of planning, executing, and managing multi-step workflows with minimal human guidance, increasing productivity across many industries. 3. Enhanced coding capabilities. Upcoming improvements are likely to deliver faster code generation, more accurate debugging, stronger software architecture support, and better collaboration for professional development teams. 4. Advanced multimodal intelligence. Future versions may offer enhanced support for understanding and combining text, images, diagrams, documents, and other types of content in a single workflow. 5. Larger context and better memory. Anthropic is expected to expand Claude's context window and memory capabilities, enabling it to analyze even larger datasets and maintain continuity across longer conversations. 6. Faster performance. Future models are anticipated to deliver lower latency, quicker responses, and improved computational efficiency while maintaining high-quality output. Conclusion. Anthropic Claude 4 represents a major step forward in artificial intelligence. With advanced reasoning, industry-leading coding capabilities, long context understanding, and powerful AI agent features, it is helping users become more productive than ever before. As Anthropic continues to innovate, Claude is expected to become even more intelligent, versatile, and capable of supporting increasingly complex tasks. Whether you're writing content, building software, conducting research, or managing business workflows, Claude 4 is a powerful AI assistant designed for the future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about the latest AI technologies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.